Guys, it's a good idea to get a Dashcam when you travel, just in case. Just in case there's a problem, then Dashcam is the one that prove which one has a fault. So it's a good idea, it's a good thing.
Hey guys, today we are checking out this is a dashcam for your car, and it's compilation over here, but we'll go through the menu and it will show you most of them. And this is just an empty box. We are how it looks. We have a huge wide screen. We have 3 buttons on the right side, we have 1 button on the left side, and a micro SD input. Restore default settings, check the version, and that's pretty much it. You can turn on the Wi-Fi from the menu over here, or you can just press and hold the Okay, so we've seen some sample footage from this camera, and basically more light, better quality. Now let's talk pros and cons of this device. First of all, the installation is very easy and it's detachable, so you can take it with you for some reason if you want to. The image resolution is very high, the screen is very big, which is very useful. There are many parking modes, which also is very useful if you want to set it for your needs. There's a lots of options, and even with those this number of options, the menu is still pretty simple. There's no sub